Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 simple ways you can earn money starting today. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, these tips are sure to help you increase your income. So without further ado, let's dive right in. 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or coding, consider offering your services on freelance websites like Upwork or Fiverr. 2. Selling online. You can sell your unused items or handmade products on websites like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. 3. Paid surveys. You can earn money by participating in paid surveys on websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. 4. Pet sitting or babysitting. Offer your services as a pet sitter or babysitter to earn some extra cash in your spare time. 5. Delivery services. You can earn money by delivering groceries or food through companies like Instacart or Uber Eats. Conclusion. There you have it, 5 simple ways to earn money today. Whether you're looking for a quick cash injection or a long-term side hustle, there's something on this list for everyone. If you have any other tips for earning money, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.